The fourth industrial revolution has begun, and you have the chance to be part of it. This isn't going to be like before. It's not about the steam that powered our factories in the first revolution, or the mass production model that dominated the second, or even the emergence of computer-driven systems from the third revolution that we're living in today. Industry 4.0 is about connectivity. It's an opportunity to radically change the way industry responds to the needs of society. As previous industrial revolutions were led by innovations in manufacturing processes and systems, the advancement of Industry 4.0 will be driven by a smart, interconnected, pervasive environment. The opportunities for disruption are huge, and those left behind will feel it acutely. There is still space for leaders of this new revolution to emerge, but the race has already started. Understanding what current leaders are doing will help you join them.
We'll be able to find fertile ground to succeed, where we also unlock economic potential. Many global companies doing well now, such as Google, enjoyed robust, as I was saying, state funding at various points in their lives. Therefore, an entrepreneurial state should not only provide funding, but should also have capacity to determine the strategic direction of entrepreneurship. An entrepreneurial state that I would like us to be should have strong venture capital as one of its elements, with our eyes on the future